Hello and welcome to this new video. In the previous video, we integrated Steam Stats into our game using the Steam Stats web API. In this video, we will integrate Steam achievements into the game. It's important to note that the Steam plugin implements the achievement interface of Unreal Engine, so we can easily adapt the current achievement implementation in the game. We just need to add the achievement names in the config.ini file. However, the Steam plugin does not return the player's progress on the achievements retrieved via the Unreal Engine achievement interface. This limitation of the Steam plugin prevents you from knowing if the player has achieved a mission in order to reward them. In any case, the Easy OSS plugin provides a way to integrate Steam achievements into your game through the implementation of the Steam Web API. So, in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to make the current implementation work, and I'll also show you the limitation of the Steam plugin regarding user progress. I will then show you how to use the Web API to integrate achievements into your game and have full control over these achievements. It's up to you to choose the solution that suits you. What's important to note regarding Steam achievements is that a Steam achievement can only be linked to a single stat, unlike an iOS achievement which can be linked to one or more stats. To begin, go to your Steamworks dashboard, then navigate to Achievements to create an achievement. I want to create an achievement that unlocks when the player performs 10 jumps. This achievement will be linked to the jump stat created in the previous video. The min and max values of an achievement determine the range for that achievement. So, in my case, it will be 0 to 10. I can also set a range of 10 to 10. Provide a display name and a description. The achievement must be set by a server, since we will be using the Web API in this video. Upload two icons representing the achievement, one for when it's unlocked and one for when it's locked. The achievement must be saved before performing the upload. Save and then publish your changes. Now, I will begin with the first solution, which involves adapting the current implementation using Unreal Engine's achievement interface. This solution requires you to define the list of achievements for your game in your config.ini file. Open this file and add them under the Steam section. An achievement can be defined by adding the keyword achievement underscore followed by a number and an underscore, then ID followed by equals and the achievement name. To add other achievements, you need to duplicate the line, changing the ID and the achievement name. Now, go to the Achievements widget. Change the name of the achievement to be unlocked when the unlock button is clicked. It should be the name of the achievement you created. Open the Achievement Item widget. In the update content function, I remove the multiplication by 100 of the progress returned since, according to the Steam plugin, this value is between 0 and 100. We multiplied it for EOS because EOS returns progress between 0 and 1. Launch the game to test. And there you go, I can see the Steam achievement with the correct properties defined on Steam. The progress is 0, whereas it should be 40% since this player has 4 jumps. As I mentioned in the introduction, I noticed that the Steam plugin does not return the progress of an achievement. If it returns the correct progress for you, let me know in the comments. I'll correct the display name and description to make them more meaningful. Open the external achievement UI, and you should see the achievement with the correct progress for the player. If you don't see anything, or if the progress is incorrect, try restarting the Steam application on your PC by ending it with Ctrl+Alt+Delete and then relaunching the game. Given the limitation on progress with the Steam plugin, I will now show you how to integrate achievements via the Steam Web API. The first thing to do is remove the achievement definitions from the config.ini file, since they are not required for the Web API. Remove the implementation in the Achievements widget. As we saw in the Steam Stats part, with the Web API, we can get the game achievements, which are the achievement definitions without the player progress. We can also get the achievements that have been achieved for the users. The Get Steam User Unlocked Achievements task is used to return the list of achievements unlocked by a specific user. This allows you to give players the ability to view the achievements of other players, which is not possible with the Unreal Engine achievement interface. The task returns a structure containing the list of achievements unlocked by the specified user. A user achievement is a structure containing information about the progress state. The Boolean is achieved is true if the achievement is unlocked. You can use this to calculate the player's progress and promote them, for example, by increasing their experience points. The Get Steam Stats and Achievements task can also be used to get the game achievements. In the previous video, we worked with the stats output, and in this video, we will work with the achievements output. A game achievement is a structure containing information about the achievement. It does not include any information about a player's progress since it is a game achievement. The icon is a string representing the URL of the achievement icon. You can use it to display the icon in the game by downloading the image with the Download Image task. We will have two tables in the designer of this widget. One table will represent the game achievements, and the other will represent the user achievements. Replace the progress with is achieved. Replace the title with the description. Remove the unlocked description and hidden columns. Rename the scroll box so that it represents the user achievements. Duplicate the table to add the game achievements table. Use the game achievement structure to create the columns of the table. Adapt the player achievement item widget to match the new table. Remove columns to match the same number as those in the table. Rename the text according to the column names. In the Update Content function, the player name is still the local username. With the Web API, we can query the achievements of all users, so I want to automate the player name. To keep it simple, I will replace the player name with his ID. The achievement variable needs to have a different type. I will change its type so that it will be a Steam user achievement structure. Update the text according to the achievement structure. Duplicate the widget to add the game achievement item widget. Adapt the text according to the game achievements table. Change the type of the achievement variable. Update the text according to the game achievement structure. We will now implement the custom event that is used to refresh the UI. As we did for the stats widget, we first need to get the Web API key and the app ID from the game instance in order to query the achievements. We need to clear the scroll boxes each time we refresh. We need to loop through the list of target users to query their user achievements. The target users variable is not defined for this widget, so we need to create it. Open the progress widget to pass it to the achievements widget. We need to add a custom event that is used to query the achievements for the specified player. Call the Get Steam User Achievements task. Display an error message if the call fails. For each user achievement, add an item widget to the scroll box. call the custom event for each target user. Now, add a custom event that is used to get the game stats. Call the Get Steam Stats and Achievements task. Display an error message if the call fails. For each game achievement, create an item widget to add it to the game scroll box. Call this custom event once the user's stats are obtained. We will implement the logic to unlock the achievement when the button is clicked. As I mentioned, Steam has the same web API endpoint to update both stats and achievements, so we will simply call the update stat process from the player controller of the local player, this time providing the achievement name and the new value to assign. If the given value is smaller than the max value of the achievement progress will be updated, but the achievement will not be unlocked. In the user item widget, I want to display the player name to better understand the interface. This is done by passing the target user's variable to this widget and then retrieving it from this variable using the user ID. The unlock time is an epoch time. I want to format it to make it easier to understand. You can use the datetime structure to format the time as you like. I want to convert it directly into a string formatted timestamp. Launch the game to test. I have a stat of 6 jumps for this player. In the achievements section, I can see the achievements for the players. So far, no player has unlocked the Jump 10 achievement. The unlock time is therefore the first epoch time. We can also see the game achievement with the correct properties defined on Steam. Here, I display the URL of the icon. You can integrate the image using this URL. If I click on Unlock Achievement, the achievement will be unlocked for this player. We can see the Steam notification that the achievement has been unlocked. However, we need to wait a few minutes for Steam to update the web API. In the achievement external UI, we still see the old progression. This is because the social overlay in development requires time. To refresh it, you can restart your Steam application. After a few minutes, I have the correct result. The API indicates that the achievement for this player is unlocked. I also have the correct unlock time. Launch the second player, and we can see that it has the correct information regarding player 1's achievement. For this player, I want to unlock the achievement by performing the 10 jumps. So, create a lobby session and start a match to perform the jumps. The achievement has been unlocked. Return to the lobby and wait for the update. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.